Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add funds on eToro. eToro is social trading and multi-asset brokerage company. To add funds on eToro, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.etoro.com. With this, you'll be taken to official eToro website. Now, you need to first log in so that you can continue with the further process. You can click on the language option that is given on the top and select your language. Now to log in, click on login option on the top right corner. Then here you can see the login page. Now, if you have created your account using Apple ID, your Facebook account or your Google account, then you can click on the given options and continue with the login process. Since I have registered my eToro account using my email address, so first enter your email or username on the given box, then enter your correct password on the given box. With that, after entering your login credentials, click on sign in option. With this, now you'll be logged into your eToro account and here you can see your dashboard. On the left side, you can see your menu bar. Now here you need to click on deposit funds option. Then here you can see your deposit funds option. Now here you need to choose the amount that you want to deposit. You cannot deposit less than $100. After that, you need to select your deposit method. Click on the given deposit method. Then here you can see you can either use debit card, PayPal, bank account or bank transfer. I am going on with debit card option. After this, you need to enter all the information regarding your payment method. As I have chose debit card, now here you need to enter card number, your expiration date of your card, your CVV, your first name, middle name that is optional, and last name on the given box. Make sure that the card belongs to you and is in your name. After that, you need to click on deposit option. With this, you need to complete your payment. Once the transaction is processed, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the fund has been successfully added to your eToro account. This is how we can add funds on eToro. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.